how to enable offers notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable offers notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First, then open SoundCloud, and here you will find the library. Click on it and then click in the top corner here on your profile, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click notifications, and then just scroll down until you find this one, SoundCloud offers, and then if you want to enable it, just click on it, and that's it. SoundCloud offers have been enabled. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.